Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 34, grade 8 mathematics. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to order and compare numbers. Alright, so in grade 6 and 7, you were ordering numbers, or you were comparing numbers using the less than sign, the greater than sign, or the equal sign. Okay, now in high school, you are going to order numbers either in using these three signs or writing the numbers in descending order or ascending order. Descending order means writing the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So descending order is like when you are going down the stairs, you are coming from the high point to the lowest point. And while ascending order, you are writing numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So it's like you are going up with the stairs, coming from the lower point to the higher point. So let's look at these two examples. Example number 1, we are going to use the symbols to make these statements correct. So we have 3 exponent 2 and 2 exponent 3. So in our earlier videos, we have learned that if you have a number raised to another number, it simply means you must multiply this number by this time. So this is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. So this number is 9. Alright, while here we need to multiply the 2 by 3, but you need to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So that's going to be 2 times 2 times 2, and that's 8. So this number is just 8. So we need to figure out now between 9 and 8 which number is bigger. So 3 exponent 2 is bigger than 2 exponent 3. For B part, we have negative 3 minus 5, which is negative 8. Okay, so you can try this, you can confirm this on the number line. So negative 3 minus 5 will give us negative 8. Now here we have negative 3, but now we have 2 signs in the middle. So when you have 2 signs in the middle and one is positive, one is negative, so the negative always dominates the other one. So this again will give us negative 8. So these two numbers are equal to each other. Okay, so for C part, we are given a decimal fraction and a common fraction. So I think it's a good idea if we convert this to a decimal fraction. So decimal fraction of that is 0.75. And between 0.6 and 0.75, 0.75 is bigger. So 3 over 4 is bigger than 0.6. Okay, so that's how you answer such questions in the exam. So you must try to figure out, you must work out the numbers. Okay, it's not going to be nice and square. All right, you'll be doing some calculations, you'll be doing some converting, so you must just do that. Okay, let's go to part 2. Part 2, we have to write those numbers in descending order, meaning that we are going to write the numbers from the from the biggest to the smallest. So descending order is writing numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So we have negative 100, we have 25 over 50, which is just 0.5, is half. 25 is a half of 50, 0.5. The other one is 23, negative 5, and 7. So of all these numbers, 23 is the biggest of them all. So it's the biggest number, followed by positive 7, followed by 25 over 50. So this is a positive number and this is a negative number. The positive number is always bigger than a negative number. So please, the learners that have the study guide, please go to page 22. There are steps that I have written down there so that you can follow them when you're answering such questions. Then after 25 over 50 is now negative 5. And then the smallest number of them all will be negative 100. Okay, so we have written these numbers in descending order from the biggest to the smallest. So from the biggest to the smallest. So we call that descending order. All right, so the learners that have the study guide, please go to page 84, and I want you to do question 2 And then for activity number 2, there is paper 1 in that study guide on page 4. Please carry out or do question 14 and 15. Please share with